Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can remove GoGuardian from a school Chromebook. So simply open any of your browser. I'm currently using Chrome and click on it, the star button, bookmark, and change its name to, let's say, GoGuardian, and click on done. After that you can click on all bookmarks or either from three dots, bookmarks and list, and from here you can click on other bookmarks, and here you see GoGuardian. Simply right click on it and click on edit. After that, change the URL to this code. You can copy this code JavaScript one before unload or paste it in your URL. After that, click on save, and after that click on GoGuardian once, and when you're done simply search anything here, and after that go to new tab and click on all bookmarks, right click on GoGuardian and delete it. And when you simply delete it, your GoGuardian will be removed. So that is a simple process how you can remove GoGuardian.